Hi guys, this is Samiksha Hawa. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the classic red lip tutorial for you all. So let's get started. Diving straight into the foundation. For that I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me and the Superstay foundation. I'm gonna mix both of them together and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. For this look, I wanted my foundation to have natural finish, but at the same time, I wanted some coverage. That's why I've taken both of these foundation together. So the Maybelline Fit Me one is a medium coverage foundation, whereas the Maybelline Superstay foundation is a full coverage foundation with matte finish. So combining both of these foundation actually worked pretty well for me. For concealer, I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I am absolutely loving this concealer at the moment. It does the perfect job for me and I really like the finish of this product. If you're looking for some good concealer, then definitely try this out. I highly recommend getting this one. So it's a two-in-one product, so it works as a concealer as well as a corrector. So the yellow undertone of this product just works amazingly to cover all the dark circles and the hyperpigmentation on the face. So definitely try this out. For powder, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I'm just gonna lightly set my under eye area and also I'm gonna set my whole face. For my eyes, I'm taking the Blushed Nudes palette by Maybelline. It's a cool toned palette. So I'm taking the grey eyeshadow from the palette and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. I'm not gonna go too heavy with my eyeshadow. I am just applying it to give some dimension to my eyes. You need to maintain balance while doing a makeup look. For example, today I'm going in with the red lip, so I'm gonna keep my eyes neutral. So, like that, your whole makeup looks very put together and nothing looks too much. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes. Just be very careful while doing this step. For mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise mascara. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Then I'm taking the Sephora Crayon Kohl Pencil in the shade Infinity Beige and I'm gonna apply it on my lower waterline. For bronzer, I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze in the shade Sun Kiss. I'm just gonna lightly bronze up my face. Also, I have filled in my brows off camera. For that, I have taken the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. Then I'm taking Chanel Powder Blush in the shade Innocence and I'm gonna apply it on the highest part of my cheeks. It's a soft pink color, looks very natural on the skin. For highlighter, I'm taking MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Soft and Gentle. And I'm gonna apply it on the highest part of my cheekbone, little bit on the bridge of my nose and also on the temples of my forehead. It's a beautiful highlighter, looks absolutely stunning on the skin. It's not one of those chunky highlighters. You can build it up as much as you want and it's still gonna look amazing on the skin. To set my face, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer and I'm just gonna spray it all over my face. for lips, first I'm gonna line it. For that I'm using the Estee Lauder lip pencil in the shade pink. You can use red lip liners, that is absolutely fine, but it is very important that you use a lip liner because it will prevent your lipstick from bleeding. For lipstick, I'm gonna combine two different lipsticks. First, I'm gonna go in with MAC Retro Matte in the shade Ruby Roo. It's a bright red color. Also, you can use a lip brush for better precision if you're not comfortable applying your lipstick directly. Then I'm taking Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Red 1 and I'm gonna apply it all over Ruby Roo. This shade is slightly darker than the previous shade. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer on a flat brush and I'm just gonna clean the edges of my lips, so this will give my lips more defined look. Then I'm gonna take the sponge to make sure everything is blended properly. You can also use your finger for blending. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys, take care.